Hi, hope that you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to set up Google Remarketing Tag. So, if you want to learn how to set up Google Remarketing Tag, this video only for you. What is Google Remarketing Tag? Suppose any visitor visit our this website and we can target again to serve our ad or new ad. Then we need to set up Google Remarketing Tag. So then we can target again. So how Google Remarketing work? A small piece of code is added to the visitor browsers. So okay, understand. If we set up a tag, then we can remarketing again our existing visitors. Now, what is the benefit of Google remarketing campaign? One increase brand call. People multiple time see our ads and increase your brand name. Okay, higher conversation rate because the people who have interest he already visited our website and we can again target them. There has a possibility to higher conversation rate. Cost effectiveness because only interested people we can target, so we should not target the people who are not interested, so our ROI will be great. Personalized ad message, extend reach, improve engagement metrics and flexibility or control. So how we can set up a Google remarketing tag? Okay, first of all we have to go our ads manager account. Then from ads manager account we need to go tools option. Okay, here you can see tools option. Then you can see audience manager list. Okay, audience manager list. Okay, so audience manager list, you have to select your data sources. Yeah, here you can see your data sources. Please select this option. Then you will find Google tag. Okay, so tag setup, here we can understand. Install the tag yourself, email the tag, use Google tag manager. Okay, we will set up this website, our Google tag manager. This is my client website. Okay, so this is the weight loss services. Okay, here you can see there has a Google tag manager already set up. So we will set up using Google tag manager. Just select this option, conversation ID, click this conversation ID. Now we need to go our Google tag manager account. Okay, here we will select the new tag. Here you can see we will write Google remarketing campaign. Okay, we'll select just 1 minute. Here is capitalized, we need to see. Okay, then you will find Google Ads, click this option. Then you will find Google Ads Remarketing. We'll select this idea. Then here you can see conversion ID. We just paste here conversion ID. Then we need to don't need any work here. So now we need to select. We will select all pages. Okay, we will select all pages. Okay, then we need to save. Okay, then we need to save. We will check preview, that is working now. Okay, just connect this website. You can see already our tag connected. Now you can see our Google remarketing tag is fired now. That means that is work fine, very properly. Then we need to submit this tag. Okay, submit, and finally we will publish. Okay, so Now we need to refresh our website, and hopefully we will find our remarketing tag. Okay, but you already see our Google remarketing tag finally set up. So we can use remarketing data if it will be above 1,000 number. Thank you so much. If you need any help, then let me contact on my WhatsApp number. I will help you to set up your remarketing or any project of Google Ads related, and also Facebook ad. Thank you so much for watching this video.